Hi, this is Sammy from SM Productions here in Tennessee. I want to show you something that we use here in the studio, and it's a very cheap made a microphone stand. It's not really a stand, it's mounted to the wall. So let me show you what I mean. So right here you can see the whole microphone setup. It's pretty simple, it's very cheap, and that's what we're all about. If it's not cheap, you're not going to find it here. We're so cheap, we don't even have a battery for the clock here. So anyway, what I made this from is you see a bracket on the bottom, then you see a piece of pipe going up, and then a bracket on the top made out of wood, very cheap. The pipe is electrical pipe, it's a EMT, and it's also very cheap. So I mounted that about, I don't know, about 5 inches from the wall, as you can see, and that is far enough out so you can actually just mount whatever you want on there. So we got the screen right here is mounted right on there, and also the microphone, as you can see right here. So you can just lower or raise it whenever you want, or however it needs to be done. So that's it, very cheap.